In my previous video, I showed you in great detail how you can effectively and efficiently change your own voice.
You might be hearing something like this, sound just like the girl's voice you hear at one and by.
Besides that,
I also very thoroughly and indeed demonstrated how you can modify your voice to sound like Elon Musk
or former American President Joe Biden in that earlier video.
and many people commented eagerly and enthusiastically asking how we can do this on a mobile phone instead of a PC. That's precisely and specifically why I'm making this video today. In today's video, I will thoroughly and comprehensively show you step by step how to do the same exact thing using your mobile phone. Many people might wonder, what can I do after learning to change my voice? It might not just be for kids' videos or for a prank. You can use voice changing to create various animations all by yourself. You don't need to hire anyone for animation. You can change your voice to sound like a boy, a girl, or even multiple characters using this app. Plus, you can do a lot more. We'll explore how to utilize your creativity for all of this. So, let's get started with this video. After coming on screen, you can see that there is an application similar to this one. Through this application, you will be able to very easily and effectively change your voice. I will inform you in detail on how to download it in the middle or at the end of my video. So you should definitely continue watching the video for that. Now, I'm showing you how you can change your voice through this application. So I'm clicking on the application now. Once you enter, I suggest you subscribe to it. So I'm closing this for now. Next, you can see a simple UI. There's no hassle. First, you can search for voices. It's not useful because there are few voices there. There are about 30 voices. You can find all the voices. If there are 1,000 voices in the options, it can be difficult to search. However, there is Barack Obama. If I click here, you can see the image where it shows Barack Obama. From here, you can see the tap to speak option here. You will click on that. I'm giving permission for the voice here, and then you will click again. Now I see that the recording is starting. The words I'm saying will be changed by the voice changer. If I stop it and check, it will generally depend on your network speed. Mine is extremely slow. I'm playing it again.
Now I see that the recording is starting. The words I'm saying will be changed by the voice changer. If I stop it and check.
So, as you can see, Barack Obama's age has changed the words I said here. If I want to change to another girl's voice, I can do that easily by selecting from a variety of options. So you will click on that. After that, you can see the tap to speak option. Click on that. Now, the words I'm going to say will be created here in a free voice. So, I'm clicking the red button again.
Click on that. Now, the words I'm going to say will be created here in a free voice. So I'm clicking the red button again.
See my voice creation. So here you simply and easily need to search. I can clearly see that I have searched here, and you can see the one option in the Play Store. If I click here, it will take me to the Play Store. If you are installing this on your mobile for the very first time, you might not see the download option here. However, if the download option is available, you can download it from here, or if it's not, then you can go back to Chrome, and from there, you can see a website. In this particular instance, you will click here. Then from here, you can download the voice file. You can come out from here, and to do that, you can see the download button. Click here. After clicking here, you will see that you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will see the option that says download app. Click on that. An ad will pop up. Just close it, and then the download will start. How fast it downloads depends on your connection. You can see that there's a start download option, and it's taking a little time to start because our connection is slow. So if it doesn't start here, you can click and click again, and then you'll see that it has downloaded. You can see that once it's downloaded, there's a one-er option available. Since I had already downloaded this earlier, that's why this option has appeared for me. I'm showing you the download again for your understanding, so you can see it here. To install this, you need to do another task. You need to go to your Play Store right now. Once you get to the Play Store, you will search for a file from an app. After searching, you will see there is a file named. I will provide the link reception box. So if you want, you can come from there too. After coming here, you will click there. Select the manual option below and choose the downloaded file. There are 3 log files. Choose the file, and you'll see an update option as one bar. Since it's your first time, you'll see an install option. I already have it installed. Click install, and it will install automatically. After installation, return to the Play Store, search for voice in the Play Store, click here, and there's an open option. You'll have an update option, click update. I hope you understand how to change your voice and dub videos. That's all for today.